y'all, it's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video, and I am trying something completely different. So right now I'm like in a juice phase. Like I made watermelon juice a couple weeks ago, and now I want to see if I can make carrot juice in my Vitamix. So let's find out if we can. So you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.
First thing you're gonna do is peel your carrots. So I'm just doing mine over a grocery bag. And then you want to wash all of your peeled carrots. Finally, you'll need to make sure that your carrots are small enough so that they can go in the blender. So I'm just doing a rough chop on my carrots. You can do as little or as many as you like. I'm adding a little bit of ginger, you can add to taste, and then I'm going in with 2 bottles of filtered water. I'll put the lid on my blender, and then you guessed it, I will just blend until smooth. All right, the next process is filtering it out. I'm using a tea strainer, but you can also use cheesecloth, whatever works best for you. Just be sure to remove the pulp before you put in the next batch of liquid. And then you'll continue to repeat this process until your jar is full. It is a little tedious, but worth it.
All right, y'all. The question was, can we make juice in a blender, carrot juice? The answer is yes. Now we all know that carrot juice definitely tastes better cold, but I am going to try it warm, fresh out of the blender, to get my honest reaction. I'm kind of nervous. Oh, it tastes fine. It's actually a little watery. I am going to add more carrots and less water for the rest of this bag. And yeah, that's it. All right, y'all, here's the second batch. This was 5 carrots and 2 cups of organic coconut water. Again, it's not refrigerated, so I gotta keep that in mind. But here we go, taste test. This the one. Okay, scrap everything y'all saw in the beginning part of the video. 5 carrots and 2 cups of organic coconut water. This cold is going to be fire. Poppin'. It's gonna be, y'all, 2 cups of organic coconut water, 5 carrots, poppin'. That is the equation. Oh, let me show you how much pulp I got. So here's the amount of pulp from, in total, 2 small mason jars. However much this is, probably 1 mason jar, and I still have 2 carrots from my bag that I didn't juice.